Hey guys, last week I talked to you about your sense of smell and how that's really important for your brain to be as happy as it possibly can. And I also educated you just a little bit, a little taster, about how that's called your cranial nerve 1 and how it lives very, very close to cranial nerve 2. Shocking. And also cranial nerve 3 is the next guy in line. So cranial nerve 1, sense of smell. Cranial nerve 2 is your nerve that transmits visual information into your brain, the optic nerve. And 3 is the guy that's responsible for eye movements. So we could potentially assume that if you wanted to increase sense of smell, why don't we work on the surrounding tissues and the surrounding nuclei to see if it makes a difference? I don't know if it will. It may or may not, but it's worth a shot to exhaust holistic options first, right? Some of my clients had their cranial nerve 1s die due to a poor diagnosis of nasal spray or bad sinus infections. It's super sad, and they've been told there's nothing they can do about it. Well, there's always something you can do, and it's worth a shot. So what we're gonna do today is 3 eye drills to hopefully give some stimulus to your nerve that's responsible for smell. I made this little thing here because I'm a dork. You can use a pen or your thumb, okay? So exercise 1 is called near-far training. What you wanna do is stick your arm out. I'll use my thumb for this. Arm's distance away from you. Your thumb is gonna go right between your eyes, not your nose, okay? Those are different muscles. You're gonna bring your thumb in towards your eyes until it's blurry or you see 2 of them. Then once you've got your target, you should have cross-eyed right now, you're gonna shoot your eyes to the farthest thing you can see clearly. Okay, I want you to go for at least 5 repetitions of that. You will legitimately feel your eyes refocusing. It is so crazy. And then we have eye circles. Number 2, lengthen up super tall without moving your head. Sometimes you can hold your chin if you want to. I like to start in the middle. Go as high as you can, all the way around. Maybe tracing the size of a large beach ball without moving your head. Give me at least 1 of these in each direction today. If that's a little too far for you and you're not used to doing something like this, that's okay. Do it about the shape of your head. Just make a little small circle until your brain has earned the right to go bigger. And I'm really looking for smooth, symmetrical movement on this, okay? You're gonna notice your eyes trying to cheat and jump and predict where you're going. The last one is called Saccades, number 3. What you wanna do is stick your thumbs out wider than your head, and this is a darting movement between your eyes. So you're gonna, between objects. I would like 20 reps of this. Okay, I'm not moving my head and I'm darting my eyes between objects. This could be anything. Okay, diagonals, and then you have verticals. They're called saccades everywhere else in but the United States. So saccades. You guys can Google this, look up what to do, have some fun with it. Let me know if you have any questions, and potentially in a couple weeks we can see if you stayed on top of your eye drills. Maybe there's been some change in how you smell if you had trouble in one of those nostrils. Just test it and let me know if you have any questions.